now I want to really talk specifically about the energy savings that is achieved with the Magna 3.
Yes.
How much more energy does it save, and how much more efficient is it than other circulator pumps?
If we compare it to our UPS pump, the one I mentioned in the beginning with the 3-speed, and if you say it's using 100% of energy, then the Magna 3 is using 25% of energy.
Wow.
So that's
75% more efficient.
Yes, absolutely. So that's
huge.
It's really huge. So, but we have also used all the known technologies. We have to do this to secure that saving. So we have changed from in the pump, inside the pump, we have changed from stainless steel rotor can. It's where the rotor is running in all our old product. It's in stainless steel, but in this case we have developed a new one in composite material, because then we get a much more efficient motor system. And also our stator, it's not a traditional stator, but we have made what we're calling a compact stator, where we only are using the copper where we needed it, just behind the lamination in the pump. So it's also an important part to reduce the energy consumption of the pump. So, but we are really proud of this. But at the same time, we're also using our algorithm in the pump, the auto adapt, and the new function we're calling flow adapt and flow limit. If you use those control functions in the right way, then we get really down in energy consumption. So, but it's of course a part of it. So you can say it's not only the mechanics, but it's also something to do with the software we're using in the pump, so we can have it on the right way to regulate the pump.
When we were at AHR in Dallas, and you showed me, you launched the Magna 3, and you showed it to me in the booth. And do you remember? And you were demonstrating it, and first of all, you showed me about the condensation thing and how it is completely dry.
And
I thought that was interesting, and actually you couldn't even tell that it was moving. I mean, you could not tell it was running. It was so... there was no vibration whatsoever. And it was silent, and you had to almost feel it to know that it was running. But you also showed me, and I wanted you to talk a little bit about the remote monitoring through the Go Remote app on the smartphone.
Can
you just talk about that briefly?
Yes, I can. When we made the Magna 3, we actually decided to change also the remote control, because we had a remote control calling R100, and this R100, we took it and put it together with the Magna 3, and then we could see, okay, this is really old-fashioned compared to this new design. We have to do something here. And then we was a small group sitting down and discussing what can we actually do here. And then we say, okay, to make our own remote control, that will not be beneficial in the future, because there's so many devices out there. So why not use one of those devices and just make an app, so we can communicate with our product through those devices. They already are developed by other guys. It was in this case we make an app for Apple, so we can use it on an iPhone or iPad, and also for the iPod, and but also an app where you can use it in Android systems as well. So so that's actually very nice to do that. So, but we made the interface. You can mount a dongle on the iPhone or to the Android telephone, and then you are connected directly to the pump through this one, and then you have a lot of features where you can commissioning the pump and change control mode and all that stuff directly from your handheld devices.
Well, I thought it was interesting too that as soon as you turn it on, you can set it to the BEP, the best efficiency point, automatically. You don't have to really adjust anything. It automatically is set.
It's our auto adapt algorithm. So when you start the pump, then you can go through the guiding, set up date and time in your language, local language. We provide all the local languages. So so that's also a nice feature. And then if you do nothing else than that, then the pump will go into this auto adapt mode, where they will try to find its best efficiency point compared to the system it's running into. But there can of course be some other systems where you say, okay, I will try to manually optimize, and because you have some knowledge on how the system is working in a better way, so that then you can actually do your own setting of the pump, so so you will get an even better efficiency. So,
fantastic.
yeah.
Good.